The Supreme Court is hearing two cases today that could determine the future of what we see in social media. At issue is whether states can limit how tech companies censor content on their platforms. ABC's Derek Dennis has that story.
This morning, a crucial question takes center stage at the Supreme Court. How far can the government go in regulating political content on social media? The justices will hear arguments today about whether two laws passed in Republican-run states are constitutional, one from Florida, the other from Texas. The Florida law bans tech companies from suspending the accounts of political candidates. The Texas law makes it illegal for tech companies to remove political content based on someone's viewpoint, even if it's hate speech. Supporters of these laws say social media platforms have been censoring users, especially those with conservative or religious views. But tech companies argue they have a right under the First Amendment to set their own standards to prevent misinformation.
It's about government, in this case, Republican government, forcing a private platform to say something it doesn't want to say. It will be like the government going into Chipotle and telling them that they have to serve hamburgers because people want hamburgers.
Restaurants don't have an expressive right to exclude Black people or Jewish people from their restaurants because they want to make a point. Similarly, the platforms, which again are the Supreme Court has called our public square, can't exclude people they don't like to make some obscure and not quite clear expressive point.
Both laws would allow tech companies to be sued for violations. The lawmakers in Florida and Texas say they're trying to regulate the business actions of tech companies, not their freedom of speech.
Derek Dennis, ABC News.
And this case could have far-reaching implications, from what you see about the presidential election to even how spam is regulated. The justices are expected to issue that ruling by this summer.